In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly mark a message as important in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or need to ensure that a particular message stands out, marking a message as important can be incredibly useful. It highlights the message, grabbing the recipient's attention and emphasizing its significance. So let's dive right into the process and make sure your important messages are never overlooked again. First things first, let's open Microsoft Teams and head over to the chat section. This is where all your conversations live, and it's the perfect place to start when you need to communicate something urgent or noteworthy. You can either jump into an existing chat or initiate a new conversation, depending on your needs. Now let's get to typing the message you want to send. For our example today, let's say you need your team to pay special attention to a project update. So go ahead and type something like, "Please review the project update before the end of the day." It's important to be clear and concise in your message, as this will help convey the urgency you're trying to communicate. Before you hit that send button, take a moment to check out the formatting options located just below the message box. These options are your gateway to making your message stand out. Look for the Format button, which opens up a more extensive set of message options. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of tools that can enhance your message's visibility. Once you've opened the formatting options, look for the Important option, which is represented by an exclamation mark icon. Selecting this will mark your message as important, ensuring that it catches the recipient's eye immediately. It's a subtle yet effective way to underscore the urgency or importance of what you're communicating. With your message now marked as important, the final step is to click Send. Once sent, the message will be flagged with the important designation, making it more noticeable to the recipient and increasing the likelihood that it will be addressed promptly. And there you have it. That's how you quickly and effectively mark a message as important in Microsoft Teams. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your critical communications are not only sent, but also seen and acknowledged by your team members. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow and enhances your communication within Teams. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep those important messages front and center.